School iCards. Now you can also make iCards for schools. The advanced functionality of iCard Express allows you to prepare iCards of different classes and divisions at the same time. Now fill in the required details. Select the organization type as school, as here you're designing school iCards. Selecting the right type of organization helps you get the right fields and the designs for the iCard. Customize the iCard fields with the Customize button. Here, the fields have already been defined according to the school iCard requirement. The fields like roll number, class, division, etc. are defined. Now define all the additional things and select the design and save the organization. Open the iCard project like this. Now if your Excel sheet does not contain any information of the photos, you can import it as it is and assign the photos later. Now click on the Import Excel button. By clicking on the Info button, you get the guidelines to make the Excel sheet perfect for iCard Express. Now by clicking on the Browse button, import the Excel sheet saved in an Excel 97 or 2003 workbook format, and the data will be imported. By default, the very first sheet in the Excel sheet gets imported. Now say if your data is in another sheet, here from the Sheet drop-down menu, select the data sheet and the data will be imported. Here at the top of each box, you will see a field name. There is one box for each field you defined at the time of adding the organization. Like here, it is written ID, photo, name, etc. Keep the Excel sheet open in the background. Now here, let's define the data. As here, the ID should be filled, we will go on to the Excel sheet and check the column name of ID column. Here, it's A. So here, we will write A. Next, we'll need to define the photos. Now, we do not have any column of the photos. So, we will delete this data and we will keep it blank. You now understand that you need to define the column name here in which the data is filled. We will mark other entries too. Name is in column B, so it's written here as B. The address is in column C. Now the same procedure is carried out on all the other fields. The fields to which you do not have any data in the Excel sheet, please delete the column name for that field. To check the data is imported properly, you can select any name and you will see the data for the selected name is highlighted. And in this way, we can check the accuracy of the imported data before actually designing the iCard. Now say if your Excel sheet has headers like ID, name, etc., then check this checkbox, which will ignore the headers while importing. After all the fields are marked, you will import data with the Import button. You will see that all the data has been added, and by selecting any data, you can check the details. Now as we didn't assign photos via Excel sheet, we can assign it now. We can assign photos in bulk while previewing the data. Click on the Quick Photo Assignment and a photo panel will appear. From here, browse and give the path of the photo folder, and all the photos stored in that selected folder will open up here. Now select any photo and drag and drop it onto the sheet related to the photo. Likewise, assign all the photos. Now once you're done with the photo assignment, click on the Quick Photo Assignment to exit the assignment mode. Now if you want to edit any data, just click on it and edit the details. You can also adjust the face area according to the guidelines. Save the changes you've made with the Save button, and the details will be updated in the list. Select the iCard you want to process. You can also select all the iCards with the help of the Select All button. Here, go on to the next window, and you will see a drop-down menu here. Adjust the design if needed. Click on the T icon to expand the editing panel. You can also edit the title fields and also add clip arts and effects from this panel. Save the design with the Save button. Define the saving path from here. Now in this drop-down menu, select the desired option. Now say if you want to export the iCard which is open at the background, then you can select the iCard here. Likewise, to process all the iCards, select the All option. Now if you want to save iCards as a mirror image, you can check the mirror checkbox. Now save the iCards, and you can view the iCards with the Open button.